What if a single pocket-sized tool could measure distance, height, coordinates, RPM, angles, and even track movement in real time? Today we're checking out the MakaGiC L7, a smart laser measuring tool that goes far beyond a traditional laser distance meter. It combines a laser rangefinder with an advanced IMU sensor to perform complex 3D measurements from a single position. Whether you're an engineer, electrician, installer, contractor, renovator, or DIY enthusiast, this little gadget promises to save time and make measurements easier than ever. Let's unbox it, test its features, and see if it's actually worth adding to your toolbox. Unboxing. Let's start with the packaging. The MakaGiC L7 comes in a compact retail box. Inside the package, we get the MakaGiC L7 laser measurer. Waterproof storage bag. USB-C charging cable. User manual. Everything is neatly packed and protected. First impressions, this thing is surprisingly small and lightweight. It weighs only about 40 grams. Making it easy to carry in your pocket without even noticing it's there. The body feels solid and well built despite its compact size. On the top, we have the laser emitter and sensor. The front also features a bright 1.3-inch full-color display, which already gives it a premium look compared to many traditional laser measurers. One thing I really like is the built-in strong magnetic mounting system. You can attach it directly to electrical panels, metal structures, machinery, or steel frames for hands-free operation. Design and build quality. Taking a closer look at the design, the MakaGiC L7 is incredibly slim. Dimensions are only 100 by 26.5 by 11.5 millimeters. Despite its small size, it packs a rechargeable lithium battery and an independent processing chip. Charging is done through USB-C, which is always a welcome feature. The color display is bright, easy to read, and shows measurement data clearly. The user interface feels modern and intuitive. Navigation through the menus is quick and responsive. The compact size means you can carry it anywhere, whether you're working on a construction site, electrical installation, HVAC system, woodworking project, or home renovation. What makes it different? Most laser distance meters simply measure the distance between 2 points. The MakaGiC L7 goes much further. Its secret weapon is the built-in IMU system. By combining laser distance measurement with intelligent motion sensing, the device can calculate spatial dimensions and height differences without requiring multiple setup positions. In many situations, you can stand in one spot and measure points that would normally require ladders, tape measures, or multiple people. This is where the MakaGiC L7 becomes more than just a laser measurer. It's essentially a portable measurement workstation. Distance measurement test. Let's start with the basic function. Distance measurement. The device supports measurements up to 40 meters with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters. I'll point the laser toward the wall and take several measurements. The readings appear almost instantly. Response time is fast, and repeated measurements remain consistent. For everyday construction, installation, and renovation work, the accuracy appears excellent. 3D space measurement. Now let's test one of the most impressive features. 3D spatial measurement. Instead of measuring only straight line distance, the MakaGiC L7 can calculate the actual distance between two separate points in space. This can be incredibly useful when measuring structures, pipes, cable routes, beams, machinery installations, and construction layouts. All I need to do is mark the first point, then the second point. The device automatically calculates the spatial distance. This is something that would normally require multiple measurements and manual calculations. For engineers and installers, this feature alone could save a lot of time on site. Height and z-axis measurement. Next, let's test height measurement. This feature is especially useful when measuring ceilings, elevated structures, signs, cable trays, and equipment mounted at different heights. From a single position, the MakaGiC L7 can determine height differences between points. The z-axis measurement function provides vertical distance information that would normally be difficult to obtain quickly. For maintenance technicians and contractors, this can be a huge productivity boost. Real-time tracking mode. One of the coolest functions is real-time tracking. The device updates measurements at up to 40 times per second. As I move an object closer and farther away, the distance updates smoothly in real time. This can be useful for equipment alignment, machine installation, position adjustments, sliding mechanisms, assembly work. The tracking is responsive and feels almost instantaneous. Level gauge function. The MakaGiC L7 also includes a digital level gauge. Instead of carrying a separate leveling tool, you can quickly verify horizontal and vertical alignment directly on the screen. This is useful when installing shelves, electrical panels, conduits, cabinets, machinery, and structural components. Tachometer function. Another unexpected feature is the built-in tachometer. This allows the device to measure rotational speed, or RPM. This can be useful when working with electric motors, fans, pulleys, machinery, and workshop equipment. Having a tachometer integrated into a laser measuring device is definitely something you don't see every day. Real-world applications. Where can this tool actually be useful? For electricians, it can simplify cable route measurements and panel installations. For HVAC technicians, it helps with duct and equipment positioning. For contractors, it speeds up room measurements and site inspections. For engineers, it provides fast spatial calculations. For DIY enthusiasts, It combines multiple tools into one compact device. Instead of carrying a laser measurer, level, tachometer, and measuring tape separately, many tasks can be handled with a single device. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the advantages. Pros: extremely compact and lightweight, multiple tools in one device, accurate laser measurements, advanced 3D spatial measurement, real-time tracking at 40 Hz, built-in level gauge, built-in RPM measurement, strong magnetic mounting, bright color display, USB-C rechargeable. Cons: advanced features may require some learning for first-time users. Red laser visibility can be reduced under very bright outdoor sunlight. Users may need some practice to fully utilize all measurement modes. Final verdict. So, is the MakaGiC L7 worth it? If you're looking for a simple laser distance meter, this device might be more advanced than you need. But if you regularly perform installations, inspections, engineering work, renovations, maintenance, or DIY projects, the MakaGiC L7 offers a unique combination of features that can genuinely save time and simplify measurements. The ability to perform spatial measurements, height calculations, real-time tracking, leveling, and RPM testing from a device that weighs only 40 grams is impressive. Overall, the MakaGiC L7 is one of the most feature-packed compact measuring tools I've tested, and it's a great example of how smart sensors are transforming traditional measurement equipment. If you'd like to check current pricing or learn more about the product, I've placed the buying link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which feature of the MakaGiC L7 impressed you the most.